Have you ever tossed and turned at night, completely exhausted but unable to sleep? For many older adults, insomnia becomes a frustrating nightly struggle as they age. Lying awake while everyone else sleeps can leave you wondering, will I ever enjoy a full night of restful sleep again? But what if the answer isn't found in pills, expensive gadgets, or complicated routines, but right on your dinner plate? Doctors have spent years studying the powerful link between what we eat and how we sleep, and the results are clear. Certain everyday foods can dramatically improve sleep quality, especially for older adults battling insomnia. In this video, we'll reveal 5 simple, doctor-recommended foods backed by science to help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up refreshed. These foods work naturally with your body, boosting sleep hormones like melatonin, calming your mind and relaxing your nerves without the side effects of medications. No drastic diets or hard-to-find ingredients required. By the end, you'll not only know which foods to try, but also why they work, thanks to surprising research that could transform how you think about sleep forever. Ready to finally close your eyes and drift off peacefully? Let's begin. Number 1. Kiwi, nature's sleep booster. One of the easiest and most unexpected foods that can fight insomnia might already be in your kitchen, the kiwi. This small, fuzzy fruit is loaded with nutrients that help you sleep better, and it works. Better than you'd guess. Recent studies have shown something exciting. People who ate 2 kiwis 1 hour before bed for a month fell asleep 35% faster, stayed asleep 133% longer, and woke up less during the night. Kiwi isn't just a tasty snack, it's like a natural sleeping pill. Here's why it works. Kiwi boosts serotonin, a feel-good chemical in your body that helps make melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep cycle. As we get older, our bodies make less melatonin, which is why many older adults struggle to sleep. Kiwi helps fix this problem naturally. Plus, it's full of antioxidants, which fight stress in your body, and folate, good for your brain, helping you feel calmer and less anxious at night. Dr. Alan Richardson, a sleep expert, says, "People think insomnia is just a nighttime problem, but what you eat during the day matters." Kiwi's serotonin-boosting power can really help older adults sleep better. Adding kiwi to your routine is simple. Just eat 1 or 2 as a snack about an hour before bed. It's a tiny change with big results, and unlike sleep pills, there's no risk of addiction or feeling groggy the next day. If you've tried everything for years, kiwi might seem too simple to work, but science and real people prove it does. If you want an easy, natural way to sleep deeper and wake up refreshed, give kiwi a try tonight. Number 2. Tart cherries, a natural source of melatonin. If you want better sleep without pills, tart cherries could help. These sour little fruits are packed with melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep cycle. Unlike regular cherries, tart cherries have much more melatonin, making them great for people who can't sleep. A 2012 study showed that drinking tart cherry juice twice a day for a week helped people sleep 84 minutes longer each night and improved their sleep quality. Their sleep wasn't just longer, it was deeper and more refreshing. Dr. Emily Carlson, a sleep expert, says, "As we get older, our bodies make less melatonin, which is why many older adults have trouble sleeping. Tart cherries are special because they give your body melatonin directly, fixing your natural sleep rhythm, no pills needed." But that's not all. Tart cherries also have antioxidants that fight inflammation, which can mess with sleep, and tryptophan, a nutrient that helps your body make both serotonin, the feel-good chemical, and melatonin. Together, these make tart cherries a natural sleep booster. For best results, drink a glass of tart cherry juice in the morning and another at night. You can also eat dried or fresh tart cherries, but juice works fastest. Unlike sleep medicines, tart cherries won't leave you groggy or ruin your sleep patterns. They just help your body relax into deeper sleep. If you're finding this helpful, comment number 2 below. And if you haven't already, hit Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our tips. Your support lets us keep making useful content like this. Number 3. Bananas. The sleep-promoting power of magnesium and tryptophan. Most people see bananas as just a quick snack, but here's something you might not know. This everyday fruit can actually help you sleep better. Bananas are full of natural ingredients that calm your body and improve sleep, making them perfect for older adults who struggle with insomnia. The secret? Bananas are rich in magnesium, a mineral that relaxes muscles, calms your nerves, and helps you sleep deeper. Research shows that not getting enough magnesium can ruin your sleep, but eating magnesium-rich foods, like bananas, helps you stay asleep longer and wake up less at night. One study even found that older adults who ate more magnesium slept much better than those who didn't. Bananas also have tryptophan, a natural compound that helps your body make serotonin, the happy chemical that lowers stress, and melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's bedtime. More serotonin means less anxiety, and more melatonin means falling asleep faster. As sleep expert, Dr. James Thornton explains, many older adults don't realize that missing key nutrients like magnesium can cause sleep problems. Bananas are an easy fix. They give you magnesium and tryptophan, which work together to help you sleep deeply. Best of all, bananas are easy to eat. Have one plain, blend it into a smoothie, or spread peanut butter on whole grain toast and add banana slices for a bedtime snack. They're gentle on your stomach and won't cause sudden energy crashes, making them a safe choice for older adults. If you're tired of lying awake at night, try adding a banana to your daily routine. This small change could help you relax, sleep deeper, and wake up feeling refreshed instead of drained. Number 4. Walnuts, a natural source of melatonin and omega-3s. You might not think of walnuts as a sleep food, but they should be. These nuts are loaded with natural ingredients that help you sleep better, like melatonin, the sleep hormone, tryptophan, a calming amino acid, and omega-3s, healthy fats. While lots of people use melatonin pills for sleep, walnuts give you melatonin in a natural way that works smoothly with your body's own systems. A study in the journal Nutrients showed that eating walnuts raises melatonin levels in your blood, helping your body stick to a regular sleep schedule. This is extra important for older adults since aging naturally lowers melatonin, making it harder to fall and stay asleep. But walnuts do even more. They also have tryptophan, which helps your body make serotonin, a feel-good chemical that later turns into melatonin. This means walnuts help your body create its own sleep hormones, so you might not need supplements. Plus, walnuts are rich in omega-3s, famous for boosting heart and brain health. But here's the sleep secret: omega-3s, especially one called DHA, help your body make melatonin better. So walnuts give you melatonin and help your body produce more of it naturally. Dr. Catherine Reynolds, a nutrition expert, says, many older adults think melatonin pills are their only option, but foods like walnuts work even better. Your body uses natural melatonin from food more effectively, giving you deeper, higher quality sleep. For best results, try a small handful of walnuts in the evening, maybe as a snack or sprinkled on yogurt. The protein and healthy fats in walnuts keep your blood sugar steady overnight, stopping sudden spikes that can wake you up. Unlike sleep pills that make you feel groggy, walnuts gently support your body's natural sleep rhythms. If you're tired of lying awake or waking up at 3 a.m., adding walnuts to your diet could be an easy, natural fix. If this tip helped, comment number 4 below. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our videos. Your support lets us keep sharing helpful info like this. Let's keep going. Number 5. Chamomile tea, a natural way to calm the mind and body. People have used chamomile tea for hundreds of years as a natural way to relax and sleep, and science now proves they were right. Chamomile isn't just a cozy bedtime drink. It has a special ingredient called apigenin that works directly on your brain to help you sleep. Apigenin calms the parts of your brain that cause worry and tells your body it's time to sleep. This is great for older adults who often lie awake at night, their minds racing and unable to shut off. A study in the Journal of Advanced Nursing tested chamomile tea on older adults with sleep problems. After drinking it daily for 2 weeks, people fell asleep faster, woke up less during the night, and felt more rested in the morning. This means chamomile isn't just a nice ritual, it's a real sleep solution backed by science. Dr. Laura Bennett, a sleep doctor, says, chamomile tea is one of the safest, easiest ways to sleep better naturally. Unlike pills, it won't make you feel groggy or lead to dependency. It just helps your body relax into sleep. Chamomile also fights minor swelling in the body and helps your stomach feel calm. Many older adults deal with small aches or tummy troubles at night that keep them awake. Chamomile helps with both. Try drinking a warm cup 30-45 minutes before bed. It has no caffeine, so it's perfect for evenings. If you've ever spent hours staring at the ceiling or felt restless at night, adding chamomile tea to your bedtime routine could be the fix you need. It helps you fall asleep quicker, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling truly rested. As we wrap up this video, take a moment to reflect on what we've covered today. Insomnia can feel like an inevitable part of aging, but as we've seen, simple dietary changes can have a powerful impact on sleep quality. Whether it's the serotonin-boosting effects of kiwi, the melatonin-rich tart cherries, the calming properties of bananas, the sleep-enhancing benefits of walnuts, or the soothing qualities of chamomile tea, these foods offer a natural and effective way to reclaim restful nights. If you've been struggling with sleep for years, it's easy to feel like nothing will work. But sometimes the best solutions aren't found in a pill bottle, they're found in nature. As Dr. Alan Richardson put it, your diet plays a far greater role in your sleep health than most people realize. When you nourish your body with the right foods, you create the perfect conditions for deep, restorative sleep. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which of these sleep-enhancing foods stood out to you the most? Have you tried any of them before, or do you plan to start incorporating them into your routine? Leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Your experiences matter, and your insights might help someone else who's going through the same struggle. Thank you for joining us today. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to use it in your life. Your thoughts are important to us, so don't hesitate to share them. Reading your comments gives us great motivation and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us continue creating good content to inform and inspire you. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.